forever through the years, blessed by Kuanu. May you bloom forever through the years, like the hollow flower, like the phuah bird we all gather around your blossom, for you are our joy and our happiness. May it be a blessing for all the people who take refuge in you, so that we may reach the promised land of progress ahead. All your wisdom and all your skills for your land and your people, wearing the cloth of diligence, keep moving forward for your land. From within and without wolves in sheep's clothing will rise up, seeking to destroy you. In that time, stay watchful and integrity. The dark clouds will have their time to clear under the guidance and protection of Kuanu above. Stand firm so that we may reach the promised land. Do not be afraid, for you land and you people. May your light shine ever brighter like the North Star in the house of governance. May the words of your adversaries only sharpen your wisdom. From within and without wolves in sheep's clothing will rise up, seeking to destroy you. In that time, stay watchful and integrity. The dark clouds will have their time to clear under the guidance and protection of Kuanu above. Do not be afraid for your people. Like the North Star, may your light continue to grow brighter. May the words of you opponents only increase you wisdom. From within